Let's make loaded nachos from scratch. How? Just follow along. 1 cup of cornmeal, a pinch of salt, and 1 cup of water. Mix everything together until you get a masa with a Play-Doh-like consistency. If it looks like mine, with no cracks around the edges, it's just right. Divide the dough into small balls. Time to press the nachos. I'm using my 3D printed tortilla press here. Always press the dough between 2 sheets of plastic. I use the plastic from a Ziploc bag. Lay the chips onto baking paper. If you put them directly on the food tray, they will stick. Make a few holes in each nacho using a fork. Carefully place them on the food tray. Brush a little vegetable oil over the nachos. Time to start baking. I've aligned my solar cooker with the sun. It takes about 15 to 20 minutes to bake the chips. To make them nice and crispy, leave the lid open by a few millimeters so the condensation can escape. Now load them up with your favorite toppings. I'm using crispy corn, black beans, mozzarella balls, onion jam, mixed cheddar, and young Gouda cheese. Back into the solar cooker for another 5 minutes until the cheese has melted. It's looking good. For the finishing touch, I add some spring onions and serve the nachos with tomato salsa and French bread with garlic and herb cream cheese. See you in the next video. Ma.